All right, good afternoon, class. So, our first assignment of the school year is kind of a get to know each other PowerPoint. And I know that they went over the basics of PowerPoint and Google Slides, stuff like that in second grade, but obviously we had a whole summer off. So, I'm going to go over the basics again to help you get started on this assignment. So, this is what the opening slides looks like. I'll go back so that you all can see it. Right here you have it says start a new presentation. There's like a blank, a book report, field trip, flashcards, science projects, just different templates, and there's obviously several to choose from. Let me just look at these really fast. And then anything down here is where you'll find all of your previously used slides or anything that you've done on Google or are obviously saved in your Google Drive. But we are just going to do a plain old blank PowerPoint, something simple and easy for y'all to follow along. And it says click to add a new slide up here. Well, when you click on it up here, it shows different options. So you can undo it or move forward, print, paint format. You can zoom in. There's a text box, images, and different things so on. I'm going to change the font because I want something a little different. And in this first box right here, this first text box right here, you're going to just type your name. We obviously want to know who you are. And in this bottom box right here, the subtitle, I want something, just a small little thing. So it could say a little about me, a look into my life, things like that, whatever you want it to say. And then over here, you can do different themes. So simple, dark. This one's called streamline, focus, things like that. They're all very different. You know what? I think I'm going to just change mine just for something to do, just something different. Sure, I like this one. So it just changes it around a little bit. And then up here is where you're going to add a new slide, or you can pick a layout. So there's a title slide, a sectional heading, a title and a body. This one has a one column and a text, title only, title in two columns. A main point, things like that. There's many, many different things to choose from. So I think I'm just going to click on this one and add a new one. And this just has a title and then a text portion. And so one thing that I want y'all to know about me is my family. Let's change that text again. And sometimes when you add a new slide, it doesn't always add this text that you had from the first slide. So this is a new text. I have to go over here, click on this, and whatever text you had before will be on the first one and you recently used. Then I'm going to say I want y'all to know about my family. And in this portion, I'm going to tell you that I have 7 siblings. I have 5 sisters and 2 brothers. Then I'm going to add any images that I want to. You can upload from the computer or search the web. So I'm just going to search the web and it will pop up over here. I'm going to search family. Now this one right here looks like a great picture that I'm going to add, and once you click on it, it's going to say one selected, and you're going to click insert. It might take a few minutes to pop up, and I'm going to make it fit for my slide, and I'm going to put it over here. Remember that for this lesson or assignment, you need to have at least 5 slides, and every slide at least needs one picture included. This can be anything from Google, or if you have your parents that can help you download some family photos or any photo that you would like to use that's school appropriate, that's okay. But I do need every slide to have at least a picture. Even on this first one, we can add a picture of Miss Michaela. Look, there's an old picture. School appropriate. And I'm just going to put it right here so everyone knows what I look like. If y'all have any questions, don't be scared to ask, since we do have class time to work on this. If you continue to do this over the weekend, you have my email, and you're free to contact me with any questions. But hopefully this is something that you find fun and a little entertaining, and I can't wait to learn about all of y'all. Thank you. Have a great day.